how to disable your laptop keyboard when an external keyboard is plugged in. So if you're using an external keyboard, you may want to temporarily disable your laptop keyboard, and we can actually do this in a couple of easy steps. So first, just go and open up the Start menu on your computer. You could then search for Device Manager and click on this window here. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to Keyboards, and you'll see all of these different keyboard devices. Now if you see HID keyboard, this is your external keyboard, and the one below this is your built-in keyboard for your laptop. So all you need to do is select the option below HID keyboard and right click on this. You can then press uninstall device and then go and press uninstall. It will say, do you want to restart your computer? Press no. And now all we need to do is open up the Start menu. You can then click on the power icon, and then you need to press shut down. Once your computer's shut down, you need to go and turn back on your computer. Now, when your computer's back on, if you try typing on your keyboard, you'll see that this is no longer working. Now, if you want to go and re-enable your keyboard, all you'll need to do is go and open up the Start menu. You can then click on the power icon, and this time you need to press restart. Once your computer's restarted, you'll then be able to use your laptop keyboard once again. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.